Scene script. Have you ever wondered how early-stage startups raise funds? Today, we are going to dive into VK Investments' fundraising plan for early-stage startups. In the world of business, one of the most pivotal moments for an early-stage startup is securing funding. It's the turning point that can ignite a brilliant idea into a thriving business. And that's where VK Investments comes into play. We don't just recognize the potential in early-stage startups, we actively work to bridge the gap between innovative ideas and the capital needed to bring them to life. The first step of our comprehensive plan is assessment and strategy definition. It's here that we lay the groundwork for the journey ahead. During the client onboarding process, we take the time to fully understand your business model, product or service, market size, competition, and growth potential. We believe that the more we know about your startup, the better we can tailor our approach to your unique needs. Next, we move on to valuation analysis. This is where we provide a ballpark estimate of your startup's current value. We know that every startup is unique, and our valuation analysis reflects that. We take into account a variety of factors to give you a realistic and fair estimate. The final part of this initial stage is defining the fundraising strategy. Here, we carefully consider the type of funding that would be most suitable for your needs, whether it's equity or debt. We strive to ensure that the fundraising strategy we define aligns with your business's goals and objectives, setting a solid foundation for your startup's financial future. Getting the right start is crucial for startups, and VK Investments ensures just that through a thorough assessment and strategy definition. With a clear understanding of your business and a solid fundraising strategy in place, we're ready to take the next steps, guiding you through the fundraising process with expertise and precision. But we'll delve more into that in the next scene. For now, remember that the journey to securing funding starts with a clear, well-defined strategy, and VK Investments is here to help you create just that. Once the assessment is complete and the strategy defined, it's time to prepare and reach out to potential investors. The preparation stage is all about crafting a compelling narrative around your startup. This narrative, encapsulated in an investment deck, paints a clear picture of your vision, the traction you've gained, your team's strengths, and your financial projections. Creating this investment deck is a collaborative process. At VK Investments, we work alongside you, ensuring the deck captures your startup's essence while also speaking the language of potential investors. It's about striking a balance between your vision and the investor's expectations. Next, we assist you in creating financial projections for the next 3 to 5 years. These projections need to be ambitious, yet realistic. It's a tricky tightrope to walk, but one that's crucial to convincing investors that your startup is a viable investment. We then move on to drafting the term sheet. This is a preliminary document that outlines the key terms and conditions of the investment. It serves as a reference point during negotiations, helping both parties stay focused on what's important. Once the preparation is complete, we shift gears and move into marketing mode. This involves identifying potential investors who have a history of investing in similar sectors or stages. Our extensive network enables us to pinpoint the right investors for your startup, ensuring a higher chance of success. But we don't stop at just identifying potential investors. We attend networking events, pitch sessions, seminars, and webinars to get your startup in front of the right people. It's all about creating opportunities for you to showcase your vision and convince investors that your startup is worth investing in. Finally, we engage in direct outreach. This involves personalized communication with potential investors, highlighting your startup and the investment opportunity it presents. It's a chance to make a direct personal connection with the people who could help turn your vision into reality. VK Investments not only prepares startups for fundraising, but also connects them to the right investors. After reaching out to the right investors, it's time for negotiation and finalizing the deal. Picture this. You've got potential investors interested, and now comes the part where you need to ensure your interests align with theirs. This is where VK Investments steps in. We facilitate discussions around valuation, equity stake, debt terms, and other key investment terms. We make sure that both the startup and the investor are on the same page, creating a win-win situation for both parties. You might wonder, what if there are concerns raised by potential investors? Well, we've got you covered. We offer our full support to you during the due diligence process, helping you address any concerns that might arise. Our goal is to ensure that the investor feels confident and secure in their decision to invest in your startup. Now, let's fast forward to the moment you've been waiting for: the deal closure. It's a moment of triumph, but also a moment filled with a lot of paperwork. VK Investments ensures that all investment documents, including shareholder agreements, convertible notes, or debt agreements, are in order. We leave no stone unturned to ensure that the investment process is legally sound and secure, but our support doesn't stop there. We also facilitate the transfer of funds from the investor to your startup. We understand that this is a crucial step, and we make sure it happens smoothly and without any hiccups. Finally, as part of our closure process, we set up reporting mechanisms for you to regularly update investors on progress and milestones. This helps in maintaining transparency and trust between you and your investors, which is vital for a successful partnership. So, you see, VK Investments is with you at every step of the way, from negotiation to closure. We take the stress out of the process, allowing you to focus on what you do best: innovating and growing your startup. VK Investments ensures a smooth negotiation process and a hassle-free closure, taking care of all the legalities and formalities. Even after the deal closure, VK Investments' role doesn't end. In fact, it's just the beginning. While we do strive to provide an exceptional experience during the funding process, our commitment to startups extends far beyond that. Our sixth step, ongoing support, is an integral part of our partnership with startups. We believe that mentorship and guidance are crucial for early-stage startups. Hence, we provide them with access to a network of industry veterans and mentors who can help navigate the often complex and turbulent waters of the business world. As startups grow, they might require additional capital to scale their operations, enter new markets, or develop new products. We're there every step of the way, assisting in further funding rounds to ensure the continued growth and success of the startups we partner with. Planning for potential exits is another key aspect of our ongoing support. Whether it's strategizing for buyouts, mergers, or public listings, we help startups prepare for these potential futures, ensuring they're ready when the opportunity arises. Now, what sets VK Investments apart from the crowd? Our key differentiators lie in our customized approach, extensive network, deep expertise, and fund range flexibility. We understand that each startup is unique and requires a tailored solution. Therefore, we craft strategies based on the unique needs, vision, and goals of each startup. Our extensive network of potential investors is another significant advantage for startups partnering with us. This network expands the pool of potential funding sources, increasing the chances of securing the required capital. When it comes to understanding both equity and debt funding mechanisms, our expertise is second to none. We leverage this deep knowledge to provide the best advice and guide startups through the complex funding landscape. And let's not forget our fund range flexibility. Regardless of whether a startup needs $50,000 or $5 million, we have the capability to facilitate deals of varying sizes, ensuring a broad spectrum of startups can benefit from our services. VK Investments doesn't just help startups raise funds, but also provides them with continuous support and unique benefits. So, how does VK Investments measure success? And what's the final takeaway from all this? Let's dive into the metrics that reflect the effectiveness of our approach. Our success is gauged in several ways. First off, we look at the number of startups we've successfully funded. Each funded startup is a testament to our robust strategy and hands-on support. We're proud to have been instrumental in kickstarting several innovative ventures that are reshaping landscapes across various industries. Next, we consider the total funds raised. This metric allows us to quantify the financial impact of our efforts. It's not just about the number of startups we support, but also the financial fuel we've been able to inject into these businesses, enabling them to scale and disrupt their respective markets. Our third metric is client satisfaction scores. We value our clients' feedback immensely. and their satisfaction is a clear indicator of our effectiveness. It's not just about getting the job done, it's about exceeding expectations and delivering an exceptional experience throughout the fundraising journey. The retention rate for subsequent funding rounds is another important measure. It's a vote of confidence when a startup chooses to partner with us again for their next funding round. It demonstrates that we've not only met their current needs, but also built a relationship of trust and mutual benefit. Lastly, we look at our success rate in meeting targeted valuations. This metric underscores our ability to negotiate fair and rewarding deals for our clients, balancing their need for capital with the preservation of their equity. We also maintain a continuous feedback loop. This allows us to constantly refine our approach and implement best practices learned from each fundraising round. We're committed to continuous improvement and evolution, ensuring we stay at the forefront of the investment landscape. VK Investments is committed to turning visions into reality by ensuring startups have the resources they need to thrive. So if you're an early-stage startup looking for funds, VK Investments could be your perfect partner. We bridge the gap between innovative ideas and the capital required to bring them to life. Let's reshape the future together. If you're interested in partnering with VK Investments, we'd love to hear from you. We're always on the lookout for innovative startups with groundbreaking ideas. Our team is ready to guide you through your fundraising journey and provide the support you need to take your venture to the next level. To get in touch with us, you can call us at the number displayed on the screen. We're available from Monday to Friday between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Alternatively, you can drop us an email at the address also displayed on the screen. We strive to respond to all inquiries within 2 business days. Whether you have a question, need some advice, or want to discuss a potential partnership, we're here to help. Reach out to us today and let's turn your startup vision into reality. Let's work together to reshape the future. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to dive into our contact details a bit more. If you wish to start your fundraising journey with VK Investments, there are several ways to get in touch with us. Firstly, you can email us at info@vk-rise-investments.com. This is the fastest and most convenient way to reach out to us. We check our emails regularly and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Secondly, you can call us on our direct line at +91 89 3965 4691. We are available to take your calls from Monday to Friday, between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. For those of you who prefer a face-to-face meeting, you're welcome to visit our offices. Our head office is located in Toronto, Canada. We also have a branch in Perangudi, Chennai -96, for those based in India. We're eager to hear from you and help your startup rise to new heights. Don't hesitate to reach out. Your future success could be just a phone call or email away.